Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing good too. Thank you so much. I'm going to share my recent buys with you, and these ones are from the brand The Balm. This is the first time using their products, and I'm quite excited because I really like the products. I've already used them on my face right now. The eyeliner that I've used is from Balm, and the lipstick that I'm wearing right now is also from the same brand. So this is the Meet Matte Hughes 6 Mini Long Lasting Liquid Lipsticks. This is how the packaging looks like. This has 6 colors. You can see all the colors down here. I'm going to show you the swatches of these ones. The first thing about the packaging is that this is really cute and retro, and it's got a lot of scribblings around, so it'll be quite amusing for you to receive the package and entertain yourself with a little bit of writing here and there. Now, what I really like about these liquid lipsticks is that they do not dry up. These really do not dry up your lips. You can have a look at my lips as well. I've used them for like a few hours back, but these work really well, and these do not dry down your lips or make them crack down. Nothing of that sort. It's a very creamy matte formula, and that hydrates your lips really well. And I am personally in love with the formula that they've used. I am absolutely in love with the formula. It's not like the typical liquid lipsticks that settle down on the creases and makes your lips shrink. I've not used any creamy matte base beneath this one, and this is really exciting for me because I really like the formula. I'm going to show you the swatches. I'm going to show you the swatches shortly. Another product that I got from the Balm is the eyeliner. This is the Schwing Eyeliner, and this is a 1.7 ml eyeliner. Let me just show this to you guys, how pointed the applicator is. It's extremely pointed, and it's quite flexible, hard but flexible. So I'm going to poke your eye, definitely not, unless you really miss the point where you're going to make your wing. But it really makes your life easier when you're trying to create a wing. I think this wing is on fleek today, especially because of the pointed tip that this eyeliner comes with, and I really like it a lot. Okay, so the deal with these products is that these are really expensive. For 1.7 ml you pay a whopping 1200 rupees. These lipsticks retail for rupees 2600, and current price is 1915. So these lipsticks are 1.2 ml bottles each, and I'm going to show you the bottles and the packaging, everything that I have right here. So these are the 6 colors that you have, and the shelf life of these products, as mentioned in the package, is around 3 years. Yes, again, the deal with mini products and trial kits is that you get to know whether you would want to buy the full size products or not. I'm not disappointed. The color payoff is really very nice, and it's matte, it's creamy, and it doesn't feel like it's very weightless, right? This is what it looks like. I've just randomly picked a color, and then I'm going to show you. This is the shade Reliable. I'm wearing shade Romantic. And very small. The brush applicator, it's like the usual any brush applicator that you have for all the mattes these days. And I think the quantity is, so if you're paying 2600 for all of the 6 colors, it is quite expensive. It's quite expensive. I got it for offer for rupees 950, and yeah, I'm quite happy with the buy. I'm wearing shade Romantic already, so I'm going to show you the swatches very quickly. Another thing with these lipsticks is that these give you a really minty flavor when you apply it first, and then the minty flavor fades away. I mean, I do not taste it, but it kind of makes you feel like you've applied something really minty on your lips. If the smell of mint does not irritate you, you're going to like it, and so did I. I kind of like mint. I did not get irritated by the smell of it. It kind of fared well for me because I do not have any irritation towards the minty smell. So the color that I'm wearing right now is Romantic, and it's a very pinky red color, and I'm going to show you the swatch as well. So this is my bare hand, and it is actually really nice. I think this is one of the best liquid lipsticks I've ever used. The next color that I have is Reliable, and I'm already wearing it. It's a very beautiful brownish nude color and it looks on my hand, the swatch. This is how it looks like. This is the color. The shade name is Affectionate, and I honestly do not own a color like this. This is a very pretty mauvish pink color, but this is a perfect day wear. I honestly do not own something like this, but I really like the shade. The set is a combination of nudes and pinks and reds. Also guys, what do you think about the background today? All of these are my paintings and it really feels good to have them on the background today. Should I put up more paintings? Should I do something a little different? Just let me know in the comments, okay? This one is a hot pink shade and it's called Brilliant. It's hot pink but kind of muted, and if you're a lover of pink, you're going to love this color. I really like it a lot and it's very true to the color that's there in the bottle. The next one is in the shade Charismatic. It's again a pale brown nude, which I am not very sure about whether I like it or not. So this one is the last of all, and this one is named Faithful. I'm wearing it already right now. I really like it. It's a very muted pinkish red color. I think my favorite from the lot is Faithful and Romantic. These two are the darkest of all the colors and I really like them. I like the other colors as well, but I have an affinity towards the darker shades, so yeah, I really like. There's another deal about the removal of these lipsticks, and you might want to use oil because makeup wipes clearly would not work for the removal of these lipsticks, but if you use oil, you know, any kind of oil, coconut oil, baby oil, I think it's going to work great. It's not only going to hydrate your lips, but it's also going to give you a seamless removal of the color without any hassle or a lot of rubbing and scrubbing the lips. And let's talk about the eyeliner a little bit. I will show you the pigment and I'm sure you're going to be amazed. It's quite pigmented. You do not have to lose a lot of color or keep on dragging your brush on your eyelids, and it kind of feels very comfortable. You do not feel like you've used anything on your eyelids, which is a plus. I'm definitely going to try other products from the brand. So yeah, that's it for today and hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.